Ka Joint Action Committee ne ka Balang kala Pynkup burom yo Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ku Conrad K Sangma ba ki Symbud Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla kiba kynthup yo Bah Prestone Tynsong ba yo Bah Sniawbhalang Dhar ku jingai khublei kyrpang ya kitei nongialam kibala shimkhia ban pyntreikam ya ka one time settlement scheme na ka bynta ki kali kamai abakran ga jingalang Myntri Rangbah ulong habadon ki jingai ki riu san perthei la i kum kinong shun ba hynne habala ban pinbei ki kamnyan bagandon gajing itu. Kumta gani gajing kundan buram kalong kabadon jingmut bhayaki. Conrad uloong bakaroy kapar kamkut tang hagijing te yaki project ki bahe. Hynne gari banyat ringkat bat gajing kintiu ya gajing imjong kinong song bat gani gari gajing tho bashisha ya kasinshar khadar. Uloong baga sarkar kala shimega rai ka bakraw bat be bha ban mapno na kumba praspa sanpho klur tingka shaka 1000 klur tingka. Haba bu akhmat ya ka bhagamiat jongki 1000 tadi kilong ying haba persha ya ka yo ka kot jongki bat kane kamde ka rai ka basuk kane ka pisa ka de ka bala ban punan kam shikiwai pat ki kam hynne ki snothu bakumba khanriu 1000 ngut ki nongnya atrok bat ki bahing jongki kumba ar lak ngut ki priu kincha kta bet haka bat ka sarkar kala shime ka rai dak babu ya kane ka bynta haga jingmut jing perkhat
kawai ka bangakwa pan ong ba kum kan ka program ngim ju kham lo ko ha ka ji shakri pai ba ka joni namangi uba shakri pai ba ubadon na ka shuki bun ka shakti bun ka shakala tan kan dia ki ban appreciate jere ka komala ong ni mas moba It caught Joint Action Committee khublei siajan. Ya kani kaji pendon burom jopli.
Close to 60,000 truck owners and drivers are impacted by this. And if you multiply in the family members, minimum 3, that is almost close to 2 lakh people are affected by this decision. And when we wrote off this 1,000 crores, rather 850 crores, which we wrote off, we kept all of you in front of our eyes. We did it because of you. We realized that this would destroy thousands of families. And that is why when people say that this government talks of only the large development, they are wrong. Yes, we think about the large development, but we do not forget the citizens of our state. These important small decisions, this is what matters. And it is not only the truck drivers and the association and the truck owners. You will see this example in every single sector. It was this MPP government that resolved years and years of problems of the ad hoc and SSA teachers. Thousands of families and thousands and lakhs of students affected by this. No government dared to touch this issue and to understand it and resolve it.